If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. The first thing to do when setting up QuickBooks to collect sales tax is create the agencies for whom you collect sales taxes and to whom you pay the sales taxes collected as vendors within the vendors list. This allows you to remit checks for the sales taxes collected to the selected vendors within QuickBooks when the time comes for you to pay sales tax. To review the process of adding a new vendor record to the vendors list, please review Lesson 3.5, the vendors list. You must create the vendor records before creating the sales taxes because when you later create the individual sales tax items, you must specify the vendor for whom you are collecting the sales tax. After you have created vendor records for all the agencies to whom you must remit sales taxes you collect, you can then create the actual sales tax items needed by your company file as items within the item list. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.